We're continuing our video reviews of legendary Midland radios with an interesting newcomer. This is the small and affordable Midland M-Mini USB in its new version. It features increased power and universal 12 to 24 volt power supply. Eco-friendly and stylish cardboard packaging with text in multiple languages. Inside there's egg crate style packaging that protects against any unpleasant surprises. A packet with genuine Midland holographic stickers and a brief instruction manual. The complete manual in several languages can be found in the product card via the link in the description. And here's the main difference from the previous version. A voltage converter is mounted on the power cable. You can feed anywhere from 12 to 32 volts directly from the cigarette lighter socket to its input, while the output delivers the familiar 12 volts that the radio expects. The old version was often criticized for its built-in microphone. Now it has a proper connector and can be easily disconnected or replaced. The microphone itself has, besides the transmit button, 2 channel switching buttons. Another innovation, the display now has a protective silver-colored frame, and right next to it, a USB connector. The radio mounts in the car using rails and removes easily without tools, which is very convenient if you need to take the radio out at night so it doesn't get borrowed. The rails are universal and can be mounted either from the bottom or top of the radio. The radio's dimensions are surprisingly small for such a complete feature set, which we'll tell you about in just a moment. The body itself is a cast aluminum heat sink. On the back panel, antenna and external speaker jacks. The standard speaker is located at the bottom, as usual. Well then, power, mic, and power meter are connected. We turn on the radio with the knob and see a high contrast display with pleasant blue backlighting. If you turn on the radio while holding the AF button, you can set the country code. For example, CE, the universal code for traveling across Europe, which enables all permitted functions. The code is remembered when turned off. It's convenient that volume adjustment uses a large analog knob. The AF button switches between AM/FM modulation modes, which is shown on the display. The second button, with a long press, switches the automatic noise blanker to manual and back, while a short press allows you to adjust the sensitivity thresholds of these noise blankers within wide limits, up to complete shutdown. For the manual noise blanker, the normal default value is 8, and for the automatic 1, 5. The third button, RFG, allows you to enable attenuator mode for close-range reception and adjust the attenuation level. The fourth button switches between the current channel and emergency channels. With a long press, it activates keylock mode to prevent accidental presses. This mode is indicated as LC and may be disabled with the same long press. Let's check transmission. Pleasant surprise, this little guy's power output exceeds many larger radios. But what's that USB connector for, you ask? Honestly, there's not much use for it. You can only charge something low current, maximum half an ampere, like Bluetooth headphones for instance. Let's check the settings. Digital noise blanker is on, the right channel is set, AM, modulation, and maximum power. Ready to roll. The small and lightweight M-Mini will find its place in a passenger car, SUV, not to mention trucks, buses, or campers.
When you're miles from civilization and technology fails you, the road ahead is unpredictable. With a CB radio, you're never alone on the road. Real-time traffic updates, 24/7 emergency assistance, and free communication. Check out the Louis Vuitton 298 and the Louis Vuitton 198. Be on the way. Visit ProMarket-EU.com.